DIQEM presents the most important MCQs questions of the Contract Act 1872. Question number 21. A contract to do an impossible act is answer: void. Next, a contract which is enforceable by one party only is answer: voidable. Next, the principle nemo dat quod non habet relates to answer: sale of goods. Next, quantum meruit means answer: as much as earned. Next, section 10 deals with answer: essentials of a valid contract. Next, a contract caused by mistake is answer: void. Next, the law of contract in Pakistan is based on answer: English common law. Next, an agreement to agree in future is answer: void. Next, the performance of reciprocal promises is governed by answer: section 51 to 54. Next, a contract entered by mistake of law of Pakistan is answer: valid. Next, the term reciprocal promises is defined in answer: section 2 F. Next, in case of novation, the original contract is answer: discharge. Next, rescission means answer: revocation or cancellation of contract. Next, a person is said to be of sound mind for contracting if answer: he can understand and form judgment. Next, communication of revocation is complete when answer: it reaches the offeree. Next, the damages awarded to punish the wrongdoer are called answer: exemplary damages. Next, the term proposal includes answer: offer. Next, specific performance is a answer: equitable remedy. Next, a contract made under a mutual mistake of fact is answer: void. Next, A is discharged by agreement, performance and impossibility. Answer: contract. The end. Wait for the next video.